Look, if you're still forking out for 5 different AI subscriptions, especially in 2026, mate, you're just throwing your money away. I've literally just found the only AI visual tool you'll actually need to create professional content this year, and it gives you next level control over your images. So ladies and gents, as I said, welcome to the channel. I'd like to introduce you to the biggest game changer of the year. It's called Artbreeder. And as you can see right here, you can create like never before. You can actually create characters, artworks, and more, all powered by AI. And it looks like they've got over 14 million users and 300 million images. Alright, so instead of just typing in some text and hoping for the best, you're actually breeding images by mixing concepts, styles, and other images together to get exactly the look you want. So how do you do this? Well, it's actually pretty easy and straightforward. They've got heaps of things we can quickly go over. Not only that, I'll actually show you how it works in just a moment. But I want you to understand that all you really have to do is simply upload 2 different reference images, like, say, a character portrait and a particular art style. And you just sort of tweak the blend sliders to decide which image has more influence on the final result. Not only that, but there's more. Right, so you'll see here they've got what's called the collage. Yeah, the collager. Right, so this tool completely replaces the need for complicated positioning prompts by letting you just doodle simple shapes, and then the AI fills in the whole scene, as you can sort of see, especially right there in the background. So what I want you to do, if you haven't already, make sure you sign up. The link will be down below, but we're just going to go ahead and log in. We'll just log in with our Google account real quick so you can see just how easy and straightforward this is. Yeah, so we'll just use this one. Hit continue, and there you go. So you'll see here with the collager, there's heaps of options. Like I mentioned, welcome to collage. You've even got the AI. It shows you how it works. Let's type this in and run a render. That's it. Team. I used a neon-lit cyberpunk market at midnight. Rain technically reflecting off the pavement. You know, as you do. High resolution, ultra-realistic lighting. And this is exactly what we got. As you can see, you can download or re-roll it, giving you heaps of options here, which is actually pretty mean and pretty awesome. So I want you all to get that there's actually a lot you can do here. You can go ahead and save it. You can head over here to download whatever you like. Make sure you do that. It's pretty important. Not only that, but like I mentioned, they've got fine-tuning with what's called genes. So, as you know, the visuals aren't always spot on. Obviously, on the first go, as you saw, there were heaps of different ones we just tried out. Just that. But I want you to get this. They've got what's called the tuner, where you can actually tweak specific genes like age, gender, lighting, or even the color palette. So you can literally make a character older if you want to. You can change their overall mood too, or you can even shift the date, let's say, just with a single slider. So yeah, there's heaps of different things you can actually do there. You'll see for yourselves, there's just a whole range of different options you can pick from. So once again, you can see that for yourselves. Yeah. Pretty awesome, pretty cool. You can see everything over here as well. Sweet as. You can actually pop over and check this out yourself, and you'll see there's heaps of different things on offer, just like I mentioned before. So obviously, the images here update in real time without losing the original identity and consistency of your main subject. Now, I want you to know they've got what's called a community ecosystem, remixing within the community ecosystem. You never have to start from scratch, because when it comes to Artbreeder, you lot. It's got a massive open source community, so whenever you sign up and log in, you'll see right here that there's a community section. This is where pretty much every single image can be remixed. You can actually grab any sort of stunning landscape that someone else has made and blend it straight in with your own characters. Technically, you can do this by adding your own text prompts as well, or by using extra reference images. You lot can create your own unique, personalized take on the original artwork, literally in just a few seconds. Once again, you've got there's the splicer, composer, collager, and then there's the promoter and animator. There's just heaps of things, outliner, poser, and patterns. I mean, there's so much you can actually do here. You can even upload stuff, browse whatever you like. Once again, when it comes to Artbreeder, it really centralizes your whole visual workflow, combining, as I mentioned, the mixer, collager, and tuner tools to give you unmatched control over your AI art. And you don't need a bunch of different apps for it. Everything's all in one place, so it scales perfectly, whether you're working solo on characters or as a creator. Let's just put it that way, whether you're trying to design consistent characters or you're a world builder who needs precise compositional control for your project. So yeah, there you go, team. Artbreeder, give it a go. Ladies and gents, that's it from me. I need you to stop bleeding money on subscriptions and jumping between different apps. Check out the description to try the only AI toolkit you'll need right now. Let me know what you come up with by dropping a comment down below. And while you're at it, make sure you smash that like button and hit subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.